common question which comes to our mind is, when will I get my sleep back? Which absolutely depends on how well the baby sleeps. Hi guys, this is Jasmine. Welcome to Engineer Mom. I am a working mom of 2-year-old son Yuvan, and I make videos regarding the parenting tips and tricks which I have learned through this phase of time. Also, I have done a very good research on all these parenting tips. I've read many books and I'll share my personal experience through my videos with you. So if you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. It will not cost you anything, but it do motivates me and it will help me being focused and make more such videos for you. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. So on the first note, you should know how much sleep your baby actually requires. So as you can see in the chart on my side, from 0 to 3 months, from newborn to 3 months, baby requires around 14 to 17 hours of sleep. From 4 months up till 11 months, around 1 year basically, they need around 12 to 15 hours of sleep. From 1 year to 3 years, they need around 11 to 12 hours of sleep, and up till 5 years, baby need around 10 to 11 hours of sound sleep. Before going into details of how to make baby sleep through night, you should check for the following factors, like whether the baby is well fed or not, whether you have given him his dinner on time or not, and is he full. Secondly, you have to keep a check whether his diaper is soiled or not, because fresh diapers is often or mostly recommended for the sound sleep. After that, you need to check for the surrounding lights, whether the lights are dim. Next, the noise is in the background. Also, one important factor you need to check is whether baby is wearing his comfortable clothes or not, and how was his activity throughout the day. So before making him sleep, please go through these checklists to make him sleep. All the babies show signs of sleeping, so you as a new parent, you need to catch that signs. Like few of the signs are baby is rubbing his eyes, he is less active, he is crying for no reasons. So these are some points which you need to catch and make him sleep. But before that, do not make baby overtired, because overtired babies also cannot sleep properly. They might have pain in their legs or hands, but they won't be able to tell you. So you need to make sure that baby is well fed and not overtired before sleeping. Sometimes what happens is, like, baby might slept in the evening and you are trying to make him sleep for another after half an hour. So in that case also baby will not sleep. So you have to keep all these factors in mind before preparing the baby to sleep. To make baby sleep through night, create a sleeping pattern. By sleeping pattern, I means, like, if you are trying that your baby should sleep by 10, then start preparing from the 9 p.m. itself. So by sleep pattern, you should have to follow it rigorously. Like daily you have to follow the same timings, because babies have internal biological clock. They really catch what timing is it. So once you start preparing for this on the same time, they will get to know this, yes, now is my sleeping time. Though they won't be able to communicate with you, but yes, they will be ready and prepare for the sound sleep. After that, check for the surroundings, like there should not be any sound outside, or there should not be any environmental noise outside, because it will distract the baby from the sound sleep. Third thing you have to keep in mind, you have to dim the lights and you have to make a calmer, soother environment comfortably. The temperature should be comfortable for the baby. It should not be too cold or too hot. So you have to keep this also in mind. Lastly, check for the diapers. In the night, I would recommend use the super absorbent diapers, because of the wetness also sometimes baby woke up. So you need to keep that in mind, to change the diapers just before the sleeping. And for the good environment and the surround sound, sing a lullaby for him. This will help you connect with your baby. He will recognize you from your voice, from the music which you sing for him or her. So, and it actually actually creates a very, a very special bond with your baby. Like, this is the lullaby, my mom mostly sung this at night, and all this thing really helps to make baby sleep. It will make him more comfortable and make him more protective, so that he can sleep very well at night. If you do follow these steps and maintain a same pattern on daily basis, then your baby will surely gonna sleep for longer period, and you will have your peace and your me time back with your partner. So that's all for this video. I'll connect with you next week, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is me, Jasmine, signing off. Ta-ta.